getting on my tits, guys. She's annoying me.
What are you doing now, wee wee?
No.
Why are you sat down doing no?
Because my arse is warm, I'm pouring it down.
You've been working?
Yes.
What you been doing?
All this plumbing.
What plumbing? Oh, that plumbing.
I just sent Dad to go and get another one of them tubes because it's nearly gone.
Oh, why you got to send Dad?
Because Dad offered to go.
Oh.
And he's gone to order that concrete for that floor up there.
For the roof, for the ceiling?
For the roof, yeah. So that should be on the 13th of September.
Oh.
And I know somebody won't be here.
Oh. I wonder if you might do some videos for me then while I'm not here.
I doubt it. That's your job. Shouldn't go away.
But people like to see your progress, William.
Yeah, but if I'm filming, I can't work. And if I work, I can't film.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tricky situation then, that one, isn't it?
One. You better get some new bird to come up and do it.
New bird.
Floor's gone in the back of the trailer.
William's sulking because he's put a pipe like this, look.
Okay.
That's William's pipe.
Go on, and I'd like to see you cut one.
Daddy Mark didn't teach him like that.
Go on, and you cut one. I got you, didn't it?
Yeah, straight in my face. Thanks.
If you pull that up, I'll do that for you now if you want.
There you go. Help me, guys, please. She's getting on my tits. That one. They don't matter then, does it?
Yeah, it does if you...
No, we just get all these.
Yeah.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
for watching the video. Hope you're liking the progress on doing this barn. If you're liking the videos, please feel free to subscribe, like and share the videos with all your friends. Thank you. See you next time.